What is up guys, today I'll be unboxing the Galaxy Tab A8 and I'll be also going through a quick overview of the tablet itself. Now this is the updated model. It was released of this year 2022. As you can see on the design of the box, it's quite similar to the rest of the Galaxy range, such as the Tab S8. So it's quite a premium looking box when you compare it to the rest of Samsung's lineup for this year. Let's pop this open like so. As you can see, nothing under there. This will be the tablet itself on top, nicely wrapped. Let's get into this. There we go. So here we are. Very nice looking tablet. That'll be the SIM tray right here, as this one in particular takes a SIM card. We have the two speakers at the bottom here, another two on this side as well, so it's a 4-speaker setup with Dolby Atmos. And we have a USB Type-C port here, nice to see that. We have the camera up at the top. It's a 5 megapixel camera, records at 1080p at 30 frames per second. There is also a camera on the back, which is the main camera here. This one is the 8 megapixel. It's got autofocus as well, records at 1080p at 30 frames per second as well. It'd be nice to see a 60 frames per second camera on here, but you know, tablet cameras are not always the best anyway, so you don't really see people standing around taking photos with the cameras. So let's get this, well, we'll set this up in a second. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. And this pocket here we have, let's see, warranty card, small paperwork, and you need the pin for the SIM ejector, so that'll be a SIM ejector tool. And in this, so we get a charging brick in this tablet. I know it's got 15-watt charging. Don't know if it's a 15-watt. No, it's not a fast charging brick. It's just a standard brick. And you get a USB-C wire here. And I'm guessing that's all you get in the box. So now we're all set up and ready to go, guys. I've installed some apps. And this tablet has a screen size of 10.5 inches. The screen brightness goes up to 327 nits as far as I'm aware. As I say as well, guys, this tablet was released this year. This is the updated model. The display looks nice. Even though it looks slightly washed out, it still looks pretty nice. This will be great for like content consumption. You'll be able to play some games on here, such as Asphalt, Apex Legends, probably on the lowest settings. Call of Duty as well, probably on the lowest settings as well. But yeah, this tablet will be great just for sitting and watching some Netflix, watching some YouTube, playing some light games. PUBG should run fine as well. I'll do some more tests. I can do a gaming test video for you guys. Just let me know in the comments. So this is just my unboxing and initial thoughts on this tablet. Watching regular content on here, such as YouTube videos and Netflix, would be really great. Do expect some slowdown at times, as the chipset isn't the strongest. So if we pop this open in split views, you can see we can have YouTube going. You see it's a bit slow there to load. We've got split screen open there in pop-up, and see it saves it as well. So we've got two things open. We can go back to those. We can boom, jump back to Netflix there, and back to those. You can swap these around, top to bottom, left to right, the usual stuff. You can watch some YouTube while you do your calculations as well. Not an issue. It is a bit slow to respond, but it will get the job done as long as you don't overload, you know, the tablet itself with work. Now this one has 4 gigabytes of RAM and it's got a 32 gigabyte. It does take a memory card as well. It has a memory card slot. As I say, it's a Unisoc Tiger T1618 chip. This came with Android 11, but it's now been upgraded to Android 12. It's got dimensions of 246.8 times 161.9. It weighs 508 grams, which amounts to about 1.12 pounds. This one takes a nano SIM as well. I do have one installed in it at the moment. It does have a headphone jack, which is nice to see, which is just at the bottom here. We can zoom into that. Yeah. Bluetooth 5.0. It has global positioning, the usual stuff. No NFC. It has a USB Type-C, which is the 2.0 version. It has an accelerometer, a gyroscope, proximity sensors, and it also has a compass as well. The battery is a decent size. It's 7040 milliamps, non-removable battery. Now this tablet comes in colors of grey, silver, pink gold. This one I have here is the silver, which is nice and stealthy for me. So yeah, that'll be all for now, guys. Just let me know if you want me to do a video test, a gaming test I should say. I can do some photos and stuff. Let me know what you want to see, guys. It's just an unboxing, like I said, but that'll be all, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video. I will be doing an unboxing as well of other tablets. I will be doing a review of the Tab S8 Plus as well soon, one of my favorite tablets at the moment. But for now, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.